Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car and motorhome reviews, deep insights, and feature breakdowns. In today's video, we're diving into the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a bold step forward from one of America's most trusted automotive brands. This RV combines rugged practicality with modern innovation, offering an experience tailored to both adventure seekers and comfort lovers. The 2026 Ford Motorhome boasts a commanding exterior presence. With a redesigned aerodynamic front fascia, LED matrix headlights, and a prominent chrome grille, this RV looks every bit the part of a modern traveler. It's built on Ford's advanced modular chassis, making it incredibly durable and capable of handling everything from smooth highways to remote off-road terrain. The sleek body lines and integrated solar panels on the roof enhance efficiency while maintaining a futuristic aesthetic. Under the hood, the Ford Motorhome features a powerful yet efficient hybrid V6 engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver a combined output of 480 horsepower, making long drives feel effortless. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear transitions, and the intelligent all-wheel drive system provides superior traction and stability in various road conditions. With regenerative braking and an expanded fuel tank, this RV offers an impressive range ideal for long-distance journeys. Step inside and you're welcomed into a luxurious, tech-infused living space. The interior has been crafted using eco-friendly materials and premium finishes. From soft, touch leather seating to customizable ambient lighting, every detail has been thoughtfully designed. A spacious lounge area features a convertible L-shaped sofa, a retractable UHD smart TV, and surround sound speakers, making it perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. The kitchen is equipped with smart appliances, including an induction stove, microwave, convection oven, and a full-size fridge. The built-in touchscreen control system lets you manage lighting, temperature, and power usage with ease. Storage has been maximized through clever cabinetry and underfloor compartments. The dining space converts easily to accommodate additional sleeping arrangements when needed. The rear master suite offers a queen-sized memory foam bed with built-in massage and climate control. You'll also find a walk-in bathroom featuring a rain shower, modern vanity, and composting toilet. The smart climate system maintains comfort regardless of weather conditions outside. For off-grid living, the 2026 Ford Motorhome includes roof-mounted solar panels, a high-capacity battery bank, and an onboard water purification system. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. A 360-degree camera and trailer monitoring system add extra layers of safety. The digital dashboard is intuitive, customizable, and syncs seamlessly with your smartphone via Ford's Sync infotainment system. The 2026 Ford Motorhome brings innovation, comfort, and freedom together in one beautifully engineered package. Whether you're traveling cross-country or living life on the road full-time, this motorhome offers everything you need with the performance and reliability that Ford is known for. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Review Pro for more in-depth videos on the latest vehicles and motorhomes. Join us as we continue exploring the best in automotive innovation and design.